going on, guys? In this video we are going to see the logical operators in Java programming. This is basically like a if-else statement. Now let's go ahead and create the classes. Public. Since I have created the class name coffee, so I am going to put coffee right here. Public class coffee, and inside of this curly bracket I put the function, main function, public static void main, inside of the bracket string arg and a square bracket, arg and a square bracket, and after that we are going to introduce some integer type of variables. Integer boy comma girl, and let's say here it's like a dating site. I'm going to create a age limit for that. So let's say boy is equal to 18 and girl is equal to 40. So here I'm going to create an if condition. So it's based on that we are going to print something like in the if we are going to put boy if the boy is greater than 10, and for and we put double ampersand, and girl is less than 60. Less than 60, you can enter this site. So I'm going to put that one in the curly bracket. System.out print line, you can enter. Okay, this is the condition if this is satisfied. If it's not satisfied, I'm going to create else statement for that. Else I copy paste this one right here, copy and paste this one right here. You cannot enter. Okay. Now that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. You can enter. So here why it's happened is because if the boy is greater than 10 and less than 60, here you can see the boy is greater than 10 and the girl is less than 60, so you can enter. And for example, if I put something like 68, it's above 60, so it should say you cannot enter. So let's run this one again, and it says you cannot enter. Okay, now we have created this one, and also we can create or like that. If it's and, we put double ampersand. If it's or, we put double pipeline. Okay, let me put that here. Instead of this ampersand, if I put pipeline, it will work similar to that. For the pipeline, if the one of the condition is satisfied, it's going to print you can enter. Here one of the condition is not satisfied. 68 is not satisfied, but greater than 10 is satisfied, so it's going to print it anyway, right? If both is not satisfied, then only it will go to the you cannot enter. Now when I run this one, it should say you can enter. Now it says you can enter, and that's how the logical operators work in Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to learn Java, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist, and also if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.